Hi everyone, my name is Randy Scruggs, and this is going to be my kindergarten science lesson. Today we're going to be learning about Earth and human activity. And you might not know exactly what that means, and that's okay. It means we're going to be learning about helping the environment, and the environment is where we live. It's the things that surround us, the people, the places, the nature, everything that surrounds us. And so you might not know exactly what that means. So I have a video pulled up on YouTube that I was going to show you guys, just so you can understand it a little better. Let's start over.
We've got a planet that we all can love on. It gives us what we need so we can live on. All together, this is what we do. Ooh. Taking care of Earth, me and you. When you plant trees, there's something you should know. When you protect it and make sure that it grows, it gives you lots of shade and purifies the air, and that becomes good shelter when animals live there. Now saving water, this helps the planet too. When you brush your teeth, be careful what you use. Conserving energy in the day or late at night. If no one's in the room, then there's no need for a light. Don't ever litter in the street or in the sea. Look for a trash can, please keep our planet clean. Cars are very nice, but too many jam the town. Sometimes it's so much better to bike or walk around.
Our planet, called Earth, helps us more than you may know. It gives us the air we breathe, the water we drink, and it feeds us with the food that it grows. We need to treat it well because it's the only planet that we have. Thank you, Planet Earth.
We've got a planet that we all can love on. It gives us what we need so we can live on. All together, this is what we do. Ooh. Taking care of Earth, me and you. Sing along and you know what to do. Celebrating Earth, me and you.
Okay, so that's just a little bit more about what we're learning about. And so the outcome of today's lesson is to be able to communicate a solution that will reduce the impact of humans on the land, water, air, and or other living things in the local environment. So some of the other living things in our environment are our pets. I'm sure many of you have cats or dogs or something like that, and so we want them to be healthy just like we are. So I'm going to show you my dog. She's not a little puppy anymore. This is Nova. And can you say hi? Give up? Give up? No. Give up? She's not going to do it. Okay. But, so anyway, that's just one example of the animals that we can save. And so in the next video, we're going to be learning about how we can help save them.